Alafia, I am TOSINGER and I bring you daily Yoruba proverbs, sayings, and expressions. Igi kan kò lè dá gbó ṣe. Igi kan kò lè dá igbó ṣe. Igi kan kò lè dá igbó ṣe. Literal English meaning, igi is a tree. Igbo is a forest or bush. Kò lè dá igbó ṣe. A tree cannot make a forest. Literal. A tree cannot make a forest. Implied meaning, we all need one another. We need community. We need ourselves. We are all connected. You cannot do it by yourself. Ask for help when you need it. Delegate. You can't carry the weight of the world on your shoulders. You need a team to make the dream work. Speaking of trees, I hope you have listened, shared, and saved my new single, Like a Tree. Let me know your thoughts. Ariel.